Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are having a great day. If you have been paying attention to the crypto market in the last 24 hours, a lot of things have happened. First of all, the SEC chairman actually spoke out about XRP publicly for the first time. Secondly, Bitcoin has been consolidating between the price of 80,000 and 84 in the last 10 days, which has induced a little bit of fear into the altcoin market, which you can see has experienced a very strong outflow of cash in the last 24 hours. And the third thing that's actually very shocking is SEC could axe proposed Biden era crypto custody rule completely, which can definitely pump up the crypto market in a positive way. But in the short term, what are we going to be expecting? Is the market in a fearful zone? Well, the fear to the greed index is actually slowly starting to get a little bit healthier. On the other end, it looks like Bitcoin is breaking out of this triangle, and once we break out, there's a chance that we will see an 8% move in the direction the breakout occurs, and currently it's not looking very healthy. On the other end, the standard bank cuts Ethereum year-end price target to 60% from 10,000 to 4,000. So they're definitely seeing a little bit of a slowing down momentum by the crypto market. And on the other end, Dogecoin faces a crucial price test, while Bitcoin ETF snap outflow streak with the biggest daily inflow in a weeks. Now, at the same time, nominated SEC chairman commented on the Ripple lawsuit surfaces, and what will this have an outcome on the entire market? Before we get into all of this details, I highly recommend, if you guys are here for the first time, scroll down, tap the red subscribe button. It will just help you stay up to date with everything, and turn on that notification so you can be up to date with the latest and the greatest news first. And while you're there, slap a like on the video. Let's go for a like goal of 32. Now, first thing first, I want to show you guys the Dogecoin price action, because this will give you a little bit of an idea in terms of how well the entire market is doing. Dogecoin has been struggling between the price of 16 and 17 cents, and especially for a short period of time since the 12th of March until just 2 days ago, we were actually in a positive trend for the super trend. But just yesterday, we actually fell below that, and now we're currently in a downtrend. Especially if Dogecoin does fall below the price of 16.5 cents, there is a very strong chance that we will be retesting close to 15 cents before showing any sort of positive trend. And seeing how struggling period Bitcoin is facing, there is definitely a little bit of an uncertainty that's starting to grow. And if you want to talk about how Bitcoin treasuries are slowly starting to grow, you can see that the governments around the world are slowly starting to buy into Bitcoin as much as possible. The United Kingdom, 61,000 Bitcoin, 190,000 by China, and 198,000 by the US. Why is this a big deal? Because just to give you perspective, not long ago, just about 5 years ago, so many of these countries were very strongly against using cryptocurrency, and currently they are definitely the largest holders of crypto. And another shocking news which I have covered before is South Korea rejects the Bitcoin as a reserve asset. So as these countries are slowly starting to accept Bitcoin and cryptocurrency, South Korea does not see that as a very safe option. And the open interest for Dogecoin is down about 3%, and on the other end, Michael Saylor's MicroStrategy buys another 130 Bitcoin, which are worth about $10 million, while Binance announces a 0% trading fee on Binance Wallet until September, as they see that the market is a little bit shaky. Now, Jim Cramer says the market is preparing to give up some gains. Usually, if you do not know, whenever Jim Cramer says anything, mostly the market likes to react in the opposite way. If you're new to crypto, you might not know that, and trust me, I've experienced it many times. And Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, Dogecoin bounce back to green, ready for a squeeze, the trader says. Global market capitalization is trading relatively flat at 2.7 trillion, and that's why there's a lot of people which are losing a little bit of interest in crypto, because currently usually crypto is seen as something that's extremely volatile. And you can see as more centralized the whole crypto market is becoming, it's becoming a little bit less volatile. Now, does this mean it's a good thing or a bad thing? That's up to you. If you're a trader, you're probably not going to be very happy with that, as you do need to become more leveraged player. Now, it looks like Bitcoin is breaking out of this triangle. Now, this triangle can catch the entire market by a little bit of a scary phase, because if we were able to break above 84,000, there would have been a chance that the market would have gone explosive all the way to 90,000 very quickly, and that would have put the whole sentiments into a very positive trend. But currently there is a little bit of uncertainty around that, and that uncertainty is the reason why the Standard Chartered Bank cuts the Ethereum year-end price target by 60% from 10,000 to 4,000. Currently we're sitting, I mean, if you just look over here, it should give you perspective that we're just under 2,000. They expect the price to double, but not much further from there. And this one is a big one, because we have been seeing an outflow of cash for Bitcoin ETF for a very long time, and today, after a long time, or after weeks and weeks, we're finally seeing a positive day. Now, this is an interesting take, which is Paul, appointed acting chairman on the US SEC, speaks for the first time about Ripple versus US SEC case. A lot of things were written on that. The case will be over very, very soon. Those are the two terms that you just need to hear, especially if you're just a holder of XRP. You do not need to watch the whole interview. The simple is, the case will be coming to an end very soon. Ripple is just trying to put it into their favor as much as possible before ending it all. And this one is a big one, which is long-term holders scooped up 167,000 Bitcoin in the last month. So the long-term holders are still seeing a very positive trend. They expect the market to keep climbing and show no signs of slowing down. While the Bank of Korea, as I mentioned, rejects the Bitcoin for reserve, citing high volatility and liquidity concerns, as they do not want to gamble with the money of their currency and just the people. At the same time, Dogecoin's big break, how 3 major firms refer to Dogecoin in the SEC filing. Dogecoin institutional interest surged with the Wall Street giants like Goldman Sachs, Grayscale on board. Memes saw a market reassurance with the top assets like Doge, Pepe, and Sheep leading the charge. And it's very clear to see that Wall Street do see a little bit of potential in meme coins and more things to come. And Swiss Bank starts offering Cardano and Avalanche to meet the increased demand. There's definitely more demand for cryptocurrency, and certain ones are definitely getting more attention. But let me tell you one thing, usually when the retail investors make a return into the crypto market, the first place they like to go to is meme coins, and let me tell you that Doge still has a very good hold on that. And Bitcoin ETF experiences significant inflow and stabilization, and institutional interest is definitely making a recovery. Overall, the market is in a little bit of an uncertain situation. That's probably the right word to use. So be very careful if you're going to be leverage trading. But other than that, thank you for watching the video till the end. I hope you enjoyed it. Everything I said is not financial advice. It's just my personal opinion. So if you're going to be using your money, make sure you do it wisely. Other than that, have a great day, and I'll see you soon.